Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to look at common mistakes people are making in Binance NFT. So I'm going to reveal it to you. Stay to the end of this video so that you do not make the same mistake. And also a like and a sub to the channel will be fantastic. Without waste of time, let's get into the mistake many people are making. So if you are with your system or your laptop, you can go to binance.com to the NFT page. So let's enter the marketplace and I'm going to show you something that people are not paying attention to, or sports. Good. So if you go into the sports section of NFT, you could notice something here, that there are some NFTs that repeat itself, and if you notice, there are different prices. So if somebody were to buy this NFT at 199 BUSD, I can also get it as cheap as 13 BUSD by this creator. I can buy it at this price, whereas others, NFT Michael, is selling it at this price. If you notice, there are some NFTs that repeat itself. The whole idea of NFT is you are the only one who have a particular asset. So in the whole world, you alone should have that particular asset, so that when you want to sell it, you can give it a very reasonable price on the high side. But when it comes to a point whereby everybody owns that item, you see, it's going to be very difficult to have a price for that kind of asset, because right now this one is charging about 100 for this, whereas these two are offering it at 30, 20, 15 by different creators, as you can see. So that's the mistake that many people are making. But there's something you should pay attention to from Binance. So as I was reading their support page, note this point. It says it's talking about mystery box here, but we are going to use the idea of this mystery box to help us when it comes to buying or selling NFTs. It says mystery box. Each mystery box is guaranteed. Let me zoom it so that you can see it very well. As you can see, mystery box, each mystery box is guaranteed to have one random NFT inside, open for a chance to win normal, rare, super rare, or super rare NFTs. So according to this statement, that means there are 4 types of NFTs available. 4 different types of NFTs. We have the normal NFT, we have the rare NFT, super rare NFT, and super rare NFT. So if we go back to this marketplace, we can tell if an NFT is a normal NFT or a rare NFT. As you can see, these are all normal NFTs because almost everybody have it. So if you were to buy something like this, you'll be in a loss, because if you bought it at 99 for, or let's say 100, and somebody is selling it at 13, it is going to be difficult for you to sell your own, and therefore you lose a lot of money. So what should you do instead? Rather than focusing on common NFTs, the one that are common, you should instead look for rare NFT, super rare NFT, or super rare NFTs. One way you can do that is by buying mystery boxes. In mystery box, you have a chance to either win the normal NFT. You also have a chance to win super rare or super rare NFTs. Other than that, another way you can know NFTs is to take your time. I spend 2 hours a day. Just go through all NFTs and make sure during that 1 hour of your search you do not see any other NFTs that look like or resemble this particular NFT. I am interested in art because NFTs under art are easy to sell. NFT under art are easy to sell. So because I'm interested in art, something like this, I need to spend time to look around the NFT marketplace to make sure there are no NFTs like this. As soon as I'm sure about that, I can go forward to buy it, knowing that since I'm the only one that have this particular one, I'll be able to sell it at a even higher price than this later in future. So that's all what this video is about. Pay attention to the kind of NFT you are buying so that you do not end up buying normal NFT, because if you buy normal NFT, it's going to be difficult for you to sell it and make back your money. So pay attention to this. Subscribe to the channel, like this video if you find it valuable, and I'm going to see you in my next video.